Hello, welcome to Chatting with Chitness. I'm Dr. Salil Chitness. I'm a pediatric emergency medicine physician, and we're going to be talking about pediatric medical education. We got a very exciting video, so let's get chatting. Today we're going to be talking about newborn jaundice. So what is jaundice? So jaundice is when newborn babies look a little yellow, and that is because they have a high level of bilirubin when they're born. And this is completely normal. Actually, bilirubin is an antioxidant, so we think that it actually protects the baby coming into this new world from all the free radicals. The reason why we get worried is if the bilirubin gets too high, it can go to the brain and cause some damage. So that's why we tend to check the bilirubin levels if your baby is too yellow. When should you get worried? So the way that jaundice works is it disappears from the feet to the eyes. So the eyes are the last thing to go. Females will always see jaundice more than males, and the mom always sees it the most. So you moms out there, if everyone's telling you your baby is fine and you still see it's yellow, the baby's fine. So what's our treatment for jaundice? So the coolest thing is the treatment is actually UV light. So it's kind of like a tanning bed for your baby. So depending on the level, your baby will get a certain amount of hours on a certain amount of lights, and then they recheck it to make sure it's going down. There's actually two ways to check the bilirubin in your baby. One is through the skin using a special machine. It's not the most accurate, but it's not painful. And the most accurate is actually just getting a blood sample through the vein. But we tend to do that second because it is more painful and it's more invasive. How does the jaundice get out of your baby? It gets out through the poop. So if your baby is yellow but pooping a lot, eating well, you have nothing to worry about. The jaundice is coming down. Please leave any comments down below so we can chat about it next time on Chatting with Chitness.